All right, y'all. Today my sister is working on on doing some soldering on some pipe for a water supply to the toilet or main bathroom. If you see that right there, that's where the pipe is. She's just sucking out the last little bit of water. But what happened is this was the configuration. It will be similar now. That came off of there. But when it came through the other side, the main bathroom, toilet over that way, this wall right here, it was off to the side. That's one, so she can't have a beauty ring or a discussion on it. And secondarily, this fitting, which isn't a compression fitting that I'm pointing out right there, that was behind the wall. So if you have to replace the valve, you see the problem. She's going to solder some pieces outside of the wall, obviously, to make up a similar configuration to this. Then, coupling, she's got to solder in the wall right there, y'all. So she has some asbestos right there. The goal is to not light this place on fire, but that's what she's trying to achieve. The fitting will go through that hole. A little bit of water we have. We have an awesome spray bottle here, should a fire occur. Now, if we have to, I do have a metal shield, just some, what is that, galvanized metal we can put on that wall over there. We're not going to do that for her sister, wants to try it the way it is. She's trying to avoid opening up the wall, y'all. Here she goes, little flux. This is the easy part.
Not a gob. Thin little film.
Putting a little bit more flux right there, y'all, in the pipe.
That's what's going to come out of the wall.
Which way?
Actually, this is going to come out of the wall, and this is going to have
This comes out of the wall when she's finished. That's being soldered on to a coupling on the pipe in the wall.
There. Okay.
There she goes, y'all. Asbestos right there, y'all.
It's getting a little hot.
Yes. She just got her rag from that water right there. She has no water on right now. Oh, it's hot.
Oh, yeah, hot.
Let it chill.
Yeah, you're supposed to wipe those.
Here, put more cool water on it, silly Willy. Stick that in the bucket. Get more cool water.
Try not to touch the tip of the torch either.
I don't know if I've given the disclaimer, but we are not professionals. We have to check the welds too. So.
Yeah. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, still nice and toasty.
That was the easy part.
Okay.
Now comes the hard part.
All right.
Which is right back there,
Scare the
y'all.
wits out of me.
Whoa, 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 right there on that pipe. Put that paper towel in there, y'all, to soak out some water. As y'all know, can't have water in the pipe when you're soldering.
Trying to get close to when I have no more water trying to cause me trouble. I'm trying to beat water.
She's just putting those paper towels in there and napkins to try to go back and get that water. She's putting flux on, y'all. not a large amount, just a nice film.
Both of them have flux.
Okay.
That's going to be...
Still got to put flux on that existing pipe, y'all.
Yeah. That's what I'm going to do right now.
Y'all just be aware, this is a fire hazard, a potential fire hazard, so be careful.
How much time, so I'm gonna take it right now.
Because the water's coming, y'all. So she's going to start right now. It actually went really well, y'all. Nothing lit on fire.
Hopefully that's still level. Ooh, he's hot.
Get some fresh water on that cloth so it's cooler. So you don't want a sopping wet cloth, y'all. Wring it out, put it on to cool it off. There you go.
An old popcorn shield from the 1960s, probably.
Yeah.
And an old asbestos pipe that I found on.
Try never to breathe it,
Of course.
All right, y'all, no fire. Just be very careful. There you go, y'all. That's what it looks like. There you go. Pretty cool, huh? Woo! Nice. All right, adios. Hope this helped, y'all.